Hello, my name is Amanda Melcher, and I am an assistant librarian at Jernigan Library. Today, I'll briefly show you how to search for an article in the database Javelina Discovery. It is an EBSCO database, so it looks and works very similarly to many of the library's other databases. To access it, start by going to the library's homepage, lib.tamuk.edu. The homepage features a section called Jernigan Library Javelina Discovery. Javelina Discovery is a single entry point for searching many of the library's databases and Oasis, the library's online catalog. Javelina Discovery is a good place to begin searching, but be sure to take advantage of subject databases and their rich content and tools as well. Javelina Discovery features one main box to type in your search terms or concepts. So if you're looking for works about environmental sustainability, you simply type in your terms in the search box. After I've typed in my terms, I'll click the search button. The database will then show you a list of its contents that contain the terms you searched for, including research starters, as well as other materials, such as ebooks, peer-reviewed articles, magazines, and newspaper items. To access any item, simply click on its title. You'll be taken to the item's detailed record page, which can be reviewed for complete publisher information. This has been a brief tutorial in using Javelina Discovery. If you need further assistance, please browse related videos or contact the library's reference desk at 361-593-3319. Thank you.